Your memory card just stopped working and it's got photos, videos, memories, and things that simply you cannot reshoot anymore. But before you panic, or throw your SD card away, or put it in a drawer, remember this: most corrupted SD cards are actually fixable, so your files may still be recoverable. So if you've ever seen the memory card not detected, a format error, or simply the whole device just showing up as empty, then this video is for you. And also, please let me know in the comments down below to what device these happened on. Was it a GoPro, a Sony camera, an Insta360? I'm genuinely curious. Let's quickly cover why this even happens in the first place, because understanding the problem is the first step to knowing how to even fix it in the first place. The most common culprits are yanking the card out while it's still writing, power cuts mid-transfer, a dodgy card reader, file system errors, or just a card that's been used hard for years. Some cards also go raw, meaning your computer sees the card but cannot fix anything on it. That is a file system issue, not physical damage, and it is very fixable. Here's the thing that most tutorials on data recovery simply miss, is that some of the fixes overwrite your existing data. So before you go into any repair tools or format any SD cards, you first need to know if your files are still recoverable. This is where Wondershare Recoverit comes in. It's a data recovery tool that can scan a corrupted or unreadable memory card, including raw cards and cards that show a format error. They pull back your photos, videos, and other files before you touch anything else. It takes maybe 5 minutes to run a scan and preview what's there. If your files show up in the preview, you know you've got something worth saving. Then you go ahead with the repair steps, and if you need it, the link is in the description down below. Alright, so now let's actually fix your corrupted SD card. In these next steps, they cover all major common scenarios. And also they work across all major brands, including SanDisk, Samsung, Sony, whatever you've got really. First, let's make sure the write protect switch on the side of the card isn't locked. Now, these may sound stupid, but on some faulty cards or very old ones, that switch just goes up and down on its own. Card reader issues on Mac usually aren't about drivers, because macOS handles them at the system level. So instead, try a different card reader or cable first. If the card still won't show up, then let's reset the SMC. This is System Management Controller, which handles power and peripheral connections and can clear up connection issues. Now let's open this utility and select the SD card in the sidebar. Then click First Aid. Now this scans for all file system errors and attempts to fix them. You won't delete your data, but we recommend to run the Recoverit scan first, just in case. If the card isn't showing up in Finder, then let's open this utility and check the sidebar. It might appear grayed out or unmounted rather than missing entirely, so select it and click Mount in the toolbar. This fixes the card not detected issue more often than you would expect. If nothing else works and you've already recovered your files, then let's format the SD card. Use your camera's built-in format option if possible. It formats to the correct file system for that device. Otherwise, let's format the SD card as FAT32 or exFAT, depending on card size, using disk utility's erase function. If the SD card has physical damage, meaning bent pins, cracked housing, or simply the computer cannot detect it even after all the above steps, then that is hardware failure territory. The only real solution here is not cheap, and that is professional recovery services. So the only proper solution that I can give you is to always have regular backups ongoing. So please remember the golden rule, which is always have a backup. So to recap, check the hardware first, recover your data before doing anything irreversible, run first aid, check disk utility to confirm that the card is mounted, and format only as last resort. Most corrupted SD cards do not need to be thrown out. They just need the right steps in the right order. If this video helped you in any way, shape, or form, then hit like and subscribe to the channel, because I do these deep dive fixes on the regular and more are coming very soon. So definitely stay tuned for more. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.